Meaning of director's cut.
Director's cut.
Director's cut.
Director's cut.
Director's cut. Director's cut refers to a version of a film that is edited and finalized based on the director's creative vision and preferences. This can include scenes or content that were originally cut from the theatrical release or changes to the pacing, music, and other elements. The result is a version of the film that is more closely aligned with the director's original intention and may provide a deeper understanding and appreciation of the story. Director's cuts are often released on home video formats or in limited theatrical runs.